Welcome to BK Graphic Design. Today marks the next stage of our lesson. So today we're going to do a basic intro, yes, of what is known as vector design. Yes, we just have a brief intro at the basic level. This is just a basic level. So we're going to twin to Pixelab as we are like this. We click on the A icon. Okay. So we're going to select the text. We give it a text of our choice. So we're going to give it an S. Okay. So the next thing is that we're going to give an enlargement on this. Then we're going to centralize this at the center. So make sure it is well centralized. So we are going to give it a font. A font. So we're going to give it, let's see. So we're going to give it a Nevis. That's Nevis font itself. We'll take an enablement. Then take an enlargement on this, right, to cover this or this particular aspect. So the next thing that we are to do is simple at the level of creating a shape. So you're going to create a shape. Okay. Now after creating the shape, you're going to scroll to fill color. Fill color. You give it any color of your choice. Okay. Give any color of your choice, and you're going to send this to the back. So send it to the back. Now the next thing you have to do now is to merge these two. So you're going to merge the two. Okay. So after merging the two, you're going to scroll to erase color. So scroll alongside me to erase color. You enable the erase color and you give the erase color to your text. Uh, um, yes, erase color at 28 is perfect. So take a tick of this. So you see that this color matches with our background, and it happens that we have to take again another shape to unlock this. Take another shape of this. So to write this. Yes, we lock this, right. You can take another shape, right? You can take another shape. We're going to enlarge this, right, to the fullest. Now we're going to send it to the back. To the back, you see how the color is changing, right? So you decide not to go now to your color and you enhance it. So you discover that the color can change to any suit of your choice and so on. So just like this and like that. Yes, just like this, just like this. So this is actually an intro to vector design. Yes, and this will be a challenge, yes, for you to do today. So after doing this, we are going to lock this. Okay, we don't need the back. So we're going to lock this, right? As it is already locked. Now we're going to go to our draw, right? To our draw enablement. You increase the print size. The blurriness, we are going to increase this. Before that, we're going to take different shape. Yes, before that, take shapes. We'll take a cycle. Take a cycle. So you're going to reduce this size to this particular level. Yes, so I'll take a tick. Let's take the rotation of this and make sure that it fits here directly. Exactly as what we have here. To take a draw, we increase the print size and the smooth and the blur radius to increase it. So you can zoom, right? Take a picture of what you're doing. Click on that and so you're going to draw this. not even blur. Yes, okay. Yes, there is the same phenomenon. So after doing that, click on zoom, reduce the size to this, click on zoom. So you're going to send mm, mm, see reduce. So increase the blurriness, the smoothness and the pen size. So zoom this. So take a draw. So I take a draw to resume this to 100. So original size. So take a tick. So taking the one thing like cycle to the front. Okay, to the front, and the next thing is that we're going to merge them. So merge these two. So after merging, you're going to erase color. So go to erase color, enable the erase, and you're going to increase the tolerance. Right, you increase the tolerance. Now next, you're going to send this to the back of this image to have this. So you see, do the same. You see, create another cycle. Yes, exactly as what we have here. So take a tick. So take a tick. Then next you go into draw. Okay. Now the next thing that you're going to do here is that in the same process, you increase the pen size to your text. You increase the radius also to your text as well. Okay. Then after doing this, you take a zoom. Okay. You take a zoom of this. You enable the zoom and you draw. So now that this is a lesson on the master's class, that I'm bringing up this. So you're going to do other complicated aspects in a master's class as well. So stay tuned to everything and you make sure that you partake, yes, in the classes that we have. Okay. So next you see do about the same process and you send this to the back, take a tick and take a mesh. Yes, take a mesh of mhm. So click on OK. Next is that you go into erase color. Okay, take erase color, you enable it, you increase the tolerance again to around 47. You say okay, you're going to send it to your back. Okay, send to the back of this. Yes. So this is a way that you can be able to create your vector design. Yes, I won't proceed again. So I'll just take you can go to my background color, can give any color of my choice and so on and so forth, just like this. So this is already your vector design, and not this. For vector design, you can be able to come out with what is known as local designs. So stay tuned and make sure that you do your assignment and you partake in the various aspects of a graphic design and look upon and challenge yourself alongside to make sure that you perfect in the master's class, because the master's class will be so amazing. Yes, we are going to get down into the root of graphic designing. These are just the basics you understand. So you're going to have a lot of ventureness as far as graphic design is being concerned. So stay tuned to all the great minds and always make sure that you stay connected to BK Graphic Design.